Updating Microsoft PowerToys is important if you want the latest features, performance improvements, and security fixes. Let me show you exactly how to do it. So when you open PowerToys and an update is available, you'll see this notification here. And as you can see, I'm currently using version 0.99.1, so we need to get that updated to the latest version. To do that, simply click on Update Available. If you want to know what new features the new version will bring, just click See What's New. This will take you to the Microsoft PowerToys GitHub repository, where you can read through everything the update will provide. So to update PowerToys, go ahead and click Install button. This will start downloading and installing the latest version of PowerToys. This process may take a few moments, so just wait until the installation is complete. Once the update is done, PowerToys will automatically relaunch, and you'll be able to review the highlights and improvements included in the new version. So that's how you can update Microsoft PowerToys to the latest version. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.